How to sign up for Amazon Flex. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed this Amazon Flex application onto your device. Then tap open it. As you open the app, it will show you two options. One is sign in with Amazon and another is create an account. As we are trying to access our Amazon Flex, we should be already having an Amazon account. So let's go ahead and tap on sign in with Amazon, enter your Amazon account credentials and tap on sign in. Once you're into your account, the following permissions are required to deliver with Amazon Flex. First of all, you have to give this location access, your camera access, your phone state, and also your call phone. Let's go ahead and tap on continue. Then just give them access. Enter the postcode where you would like to deliver. Once done, tap on to next. And at the next page, select the days that you would like to work. You can select every day if you would like. And once done, simply tap onto the next option at the bottom of the page. At this page, select any 2 times that you would like to deliver. Once done, tap onto next. And at this page, select how many hours per week you would like to deliver. You can also check all the boxes if you would like to do so. Once done, tap on next. And lastly, you have to select the size of your vehicle deliveries. Select the size and once done, tap on to all done. And while getting started, if you encounter this issue, you have to tap on to join list and you can join the list for deliveries because there is no opportunities at the moment. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.